Multi-packing is one of the most underrated strategies, but some people aren't thinking about this one way to do it that I'm going to explain that will help you make more money and grow your sales faster. My name is Stephen Pope. I'm the founder of My Amazon Guy. We're going to first look at a LinkedIn post, which I think is very pointed and explains exactly what I want to dive into. So Dominique says, Amazon fees are undefeated. Looking for some advice here. We're thinking of introducing a 3-pack to drive trial at a lower price point. So, like people who wouldn't buy at a higher price point might add a 3-pack. Here's what the math looks like before ads. Current 5-pack, $3.15 profit per satchel. 3-pack at $1.76 profit per satchel. So the question then becomes, if you have a lower price point, you're going to make less money on it, but you'll get more sales because there are more people who will buy at the lower price point. And then how does that math break out? Does the math mean you're going to sell more 5-packs or less 5-packs over time? And some people are going to assume that this is a zero-sum game. They'll assume that if I put a lower 3-pack option, that the 5-pack sales are going to go down. And they might temporarily. But over time, here's what actually happens. Let's say you normally would sell 500 5-packs a month. Then you launch the 3-pack. And your 3-pack starts selling 1,000 3-packs a month. Now, technically, you're selling less product and making less money. However, when you sell the 1,000 3-packs, the ranking and the conversion on the listing goes up. And you end up getting additional keywords ranking at the SKU level. And so that 5-pack that would only sell 500 units a month, when the 3-pack is selling 1,000, the 5-pack ends up gaining further traction. And you might be selling 700 or 800 5-packs. You'll never sell more 5-packs than the 3-pack over time, but you will sell, most likely, more 5-packs after a set time, might be like 3 months, than before that you launch the 3-pack. And so this is an interesting thought exercise, and a lot of people don't understand this because they, like human nature, in my opinion, defaults to zero-sum game theory. Whereas if one goes up, one must go down. And that's not the case. And I wish that on a cultural level, this eye for an eye makes the whole world go blind methodology would stop because the whole world would be a lot more prosperous if people could understand that it's not a zero-sum game. And you didn't come here for the philosophy lecture, but once you embrace the philosophy, you will make more marketing dollars. So I encourage you to embrace the philosophy to make more money on Amazon. In the meantime, if you need help with Amazon, I'm My Amazon Guy, and you can find me at myamazonguy.com. And you can talk to my team, and we'll build you a proposal to grow your sales. Or just leave me a YouTube comment with any question ever, and I might even shoot a video on it. We'll see you later.